right, you guys, this is the first box we're going to be opening from Denver. This is the Fluorite and Obsidian from Mexico. We're going to jump right in. You can see these gorgeous pieces in the sunlight. These are all mostly green fluorite from Mexico. They're all stunning and they're all hand-picked. A lot of them have rainbows on them. And if you're new here, when this video goes live, it means these crystals are live on our website, goldbrewcrystals.com, or you can also shop with us on Etsy. I will say on camera, this one looks a little bit more blue than it actually is. It's very much so green, a little bit more turquoise in person. Still a very beautiful piece. Here is the next one. Again, this one looks more blue than it is in person. It's actually green in person. So I will notate that in the listings, but just so you guys are aware as you watch this video, sometimes fluorite hues a different color than it actually is. Wow, this one has tons of rainbows. And some of these do have imperfections in them. They didn't end up repairing them because then you get matrix repaired, so they just left them, which I still think they're absolutely gorgeous pieces. They're more natural that way. So just know some of them could have little divots on them, but that is just natural. That's just how the fluorite forms, and when you shape it into a palm stone, sometimes there's little pieces missing. But we did go ahead and pick up a ton of these. They're all so stunning, and some of them are really clear, like this one. You can see my hand. That one's incredibly clear and a great rainbow. And this one does have a little bit of blue on it, but it's more green in person, but still stunning. Ooh, this was one of the only ones I was able to find with the purple, but insane rainbows. And this one does in fact have some blue on it. And if you hear some panting, my dog is sitting right next to me. This one's more of a sea foam green. This color was really popular last time we got these. This one has some great depth as well. And see, this one right here has just a little piece missing. It's not damaged, it's just how the piece was polished, and it does have that little divot right there, but still a stunning piece. I think this one also is very see-through. Gorgeous rainbows. This one's super high quality. Oof. And this one is a very dark green. Great rainbows. This one's one of the more thicker ones. Some of them are a little bit more thin. Some of them are really thick, and this is one of the chunkier ones. And this one does have a little bit of blue on it, but it's not quite as blue as it's showing on camera. So this is like some of the highest quality fluorite we saw at the Denver Gem Show, and I didn't mention this, but it should be in the title. These are from the Denver Gem Show. They were hand-picked by me. And if you want to see the vlog of me picking them out, I will link it down below, but it is also live on my YouTube channel. If you want to see kind of the behind the scenes process. This one also has a little bit of purple and blue. Gorgeous piece. Now I have some obsidian in here as well, because I tried to get a ton of it because he has the best stuff at the shows, so it's better to hand pick it there. This one's a little bit smaller. Still a very good size. Ooh, this one's fun. It's got a lot of inclusions, a lot of rainbows, a lot of depth. This one's really heavy. Wow. Again, another gorgeous piece. And this reads more dark green in person versus the blue. It's really interesting that it flares blue on camera, but stunning piece. And this one does actually have some purple here. It's got a ton of depth. Stunning pieces. And we did shop with another Mexican vendor and did get some carvings in addition to these palm stones. So we're gonna try to have all that go live at the same time so that you can shop all the Mexican materials together. Here is the next one. one. This one has a ton of depth. You can see almost all the way through it. Super gorgeous. Tons and tons of rainbows. You can see a little bit of the raw fluorite there, which is always really fun to see, in my personal opinion. And we did also get some tumbles and hearts. How cute and adorable are these? They're stunning. Such high quality. And I tried to get as many as I could. Oh yes, I did get tumbles too. These I try to just pick the best of the best. These probably will all be individually listed. So you can pick the one that you want. Some of them are pretty large, but they're all stunning and clear. These are the next two. So gorgeous. The hearts were just so good. They were new for him this year. So this he called Premium Obsidian. Isn't that cool? Kind of reminds me of the Spiderweb Obsidian, but it's got a lot more depth on it in terms of color. These are more of the hearts. Oh, this one's so fun. She's got the stripes, the chevron, and the purple. And this one's more of like a mint color. This is another one of those obsidian pieces. I've never had these before, so I'm curious to see how you guys like them. Ooh, here's two super unique hearts. This one's got crazy town rainbows and color. And then this one's just really unique. It's very dark and kind of moody, but it's got this really cool personality. I love that one. Here are two more of the Premium Obsidian. He had some really big pieces in the Premium Obsidian. There's another one. And this is super cool. This is the Velvet Obsidian. Hopefully you guys can see this in the light. It's Velvet Rainbow Obsidian. Ooh, I don't know if she's gonna show in this light. Oh, there we go. There you can kind of see it. It's really cool. I've never seen obsidian like that before. I pretty much bought all of his Velvet Obsidian. There are two more of the baby hearts. Ooh, the hearts are so good. I mean, all the fluorite's amazing, but I love the hearts. Here's more of the velvet. Let's see. Yeah, it's a little bit hard to get it to flash, but it's beautiful. I've only seen a couple shops actually carry it, because I think it's a little bit harder to find. So I don't know if we'll be able to restock the velvets. Yeah, look at that. That's a great example of the velvet right there. Stunning. And these are actually fairly large pieces. Look at that. Really cool. These were the closest I got to like traditional rainbow obsidian. I decided to do the velvets this time. There's more of the mini hearts. They're so cute. And then we got tons of the Fluorite Palm stones. Wow. Look at that one. That one is so unique. Ooh, she's maybe a favorite. She's got a really beautiful chevron. Gorgeous. Ooh, this one's like a beach. I think this one has like crazy rainbows on the side from what I remember. Yeah, these must be more of the velvet. Oh yeah, look at the color. This one's fun. I think this is the one I showed in my Instagram video. It has the purple, yellow, green, and it's like more traditional rainbow obsidian on the back. Ooh, this one's got a crazy good rainbow, and it's got a little bit of raw on the back, which is really fun as well. Gorgeous. These have really interesting like dots on them. These are volcanic, so it could just be bubbles from the lava. Got another tumble. Crazy rainbows. And these two are crazy cool tumbles. This one's an almost all purple heart. Wow, look at that. Stunning. I love the little purple heart. That's so cute. So cute. gorgeous velvet obsidian. It's got a cool flash as well. Wow, look at how beautiful that looks. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and add the palm stones in here and just give you a little show of everything. And then if this video isn't too long, I'm gonna include the other Mexican material we got. Okay, you guys, this is what almost 40 pounds of fluorite looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. I think I showed you all the pieces up close pretty well, but you can just see the variety and the amount of crystals here. All right, you guys, and since we have time, we're gonna open the other fluorite pieces we got. And our first piece is so gorgeous. It's this absolutely stunning fluorite buffalo. I think I only got one of them, the bigger one, but I did get a ton of the smaller size. Isn't that incredibly beautiful? I will get more if you guys love these. And next we got a ton of mini carvings. So we got tons of the mini fluorite buffaloes. Aren't they so cute? He didn't have the mini last year, just so you can see the size difference. And these ones are the super high quality. These are also from Mexico. And then I did get some Lepidolite ones. These ones are a little bit more expensive, but they're so sparkly. This is another one we picked up. I love the Lepidolite ones. I don't think he's had those before either. So cute. This one is really juicy. And we hand-picked all of these. This one has a gorgeous striping on it. I did get a few of the honeycomb calcite. This material is from Utah, and then all of the material is cut and polished in Mexico. This is another super gorgeous one in the fluorite. We tried to get as many as we could. This one's really fun. It's got the purple on him. It's super clear. Oh, and I did get one of the bear carvings. He had a gorgeous rainbow, and I love the yellow on him. And it's just super clear. And the rest of everything is hearts. So I had these last year, and they're super juicy and gorgeous. I just love the color. I just got a few of these like last year. That one's gorgeous. Ooh, this one's got really cool striping. So make sure to shop the links down below. If you don't know how to get to our website, I'll give those to you. And we will be doing all of the Denver crystal hauls in sections this time, so keep an eye out. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure to turn on that bell notification so you can see when the crystals have gone live, and you can go ahead and follow us on Cold Brew Crystals Official on Instagram, and I will also put updates there for when the crystals go live. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Love you. Bye. Hey, question for you. Have you been thinking about starting a crystal business, don't know where to start, or feel a lack of community? Well, guess what, you guys? I have a Patreon that has access to a private community and Discord server for just $18 a month. You can learn from other businesses, make friends, learn along with me, and topics include pricing, shipping, Shopify, Etsy, and so much more. So head over and join us on Patreon for just $18 a month. Everything is linked in my bio.